So guys, this is 24th of March today and the time is almost 9:16 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page here, you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 0.87% down today. So it's opening at 17,094.95. Advanced stocks are only 8, declines of 40 and unchanged is 2 stocks. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is ONGC with 1.88% up and Coal India with 0.36% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Kotak Bank with 3.09% down and ICICI Bank with 2.21% down. Okay, so this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Right now I'm planning to buy ICICI Bank in the market level, so let's see how the stock will perform. Now we'll just buy it around 707. So guys, yes, we just bought ICICI Bank and the market is minus 0.52% down now. So, but the stock looks bullish. It might take some time to go up, but if it takes a good support at 705, from there, the stock has a good ability to go up is what we are feeling right now. So let's see how the stock will perform, guys. So we're just holding it. So let's wait for the stock to come up now. So on the market is 0.52% down. You know, the market will be very fluctuate today is what I'm feeling. The market can go upper because it's a good support level as of now. So let's wait for it and we'll see. So right now it's trading at 706.95 to 707 levels. So yes, stock is making its new high now. So almost 708 has been touched. So yes, so I am planning to book like 4 to 5 points of target, guys, depending on how the stock will perform. And now we can see at the top left the market has been recovered. It's at 0.40% down now, so it has 0.10% recovered as of now. So yes, you can see some quick movement happening here. 709 now in ICICI Bank. So yes, let's see, maybe at 710. Okay, maybe at 710 there will be some resistance. From there the stock can come down till 705 again and take a support and grow up from there is what I am feeling right now. So let's see, because the market is also in a downtrend now. So if the market recovers quicker, then the stock can also go up quicker. So guys, as you guys can see, the stock did go up till 706 levels, and then the stock has come up now to 709 to 7010 levels. So I think now the market has recovered. You can see at the top left, the market is now plus 0.12% up, which was negative 0.50% down to plus 0.11% up. So the market has been now recovered, guys. So let's see now, let's wait for the stock to come up. So I think now the stock should come up. So let's see, aiming for 711 is a target right now. So almost 4 points from the level where we bought around 707. So let's see now. So I think 710 will give a breakout now and go above it is what I'm feeling. So let's wait for the stock to come up now. So almost trading near 710 now, if you guys can see. So the 710 is also been touched a few minutes before also, and now again it's going to touch the level again. So I think at this time it should give a breakout is what I am feeling right now. So yes, 710, 710.50. Yes. So guys, yes, we got a breakout here. So this was a bit of a quick moment, if you guys can see. 711, yes, our target is hit, guys. So I'll just take my exit and update you guys. So we got our target. I think it will even touch 712 also, but anyways, we'll follow the discipline and exit. Stock went up till 712.5 and I just took my exit by booking 4 points of target. So yes, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of ICICI Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. So once you guys join, I'll be teaching you all the strategies and techniques to make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. Okay. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.